This is the group kitchen right here. Laundry room in here. Sinks in the bathroom down there. And this is my room right here. Got a nice window. So I just got into my room here in Amstelveen. Basically, I'm staying about a 10-minute bike ride out of downtown Amsterdam. In a few days, I'm gonna go rent a bike. I also gotta send in some visa documents, set up my phone plan, set up the Wi-Fi. Luckily, it's the 20th of August right now, and I'm not starting school until the 6th of September. So I got about a week and a half. Time to settle in, which is good. Different type of crows out here.
It's like a Facebook post they did this morning. Apparently it's like arson, like somebody actually like...
It actually burnt down?
No, but like somebody intentionally like started a fire in one of the buildings.
Alright, welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's the second day here in Amsterdam. Last night I had a bit of a late night, also mixed with the jet lag. I ended up sleeping in until about 5:30 in the afternoon. And I'm here with my friend Max, who's from near London.
Yeah, hi, that's me.
We're just gonna walk downtown, see what we can find, see what the city's all about. Look at this guy over here. Batya. What? Oh. That's so nice. You guys having a glass of wine in this boat.
Oh, that is cool. Yeah.
Lovely. Look at this. What a car.
Yeah, that's deadly, yeah.
That building right there is quite unbelievable. So disorderly. Well, not, you know, it's much better. So this is our university right here. What a lovely place to live. In the room they gave me something called a stroopwafel. It's pretty good.